John is Kara's first and one true love. They really are a real-life fairy tale that we all get to watch unfold.
Thank you for teaching me how to love. It's gonna be full of emotions this entire day.
I know. Today, I stand before you, filled with love, joy, and maybe disbelief that my little boy has grown into an amazing man. John, I want you to know how proud we are of the man you've become. From the moment you came into this world, you brought light, laughter, and purpose into our lives. We watch you grow, learn, stumble, and rise again. Always with kindness in your heart and strength in your spirit.
Kara, from the time you were born, you've always been my little girl. And now you're all growing up. Be such a beautiful young woman. Smart and kind, loving and compassionate heart. Kara, I'm very proud of the person you've become because of your determination, your independent thinking, and because you really care about people and things. I really love you, baby girl. John, you're a good person and you've got a good moral compass. You care and you are good to people, and most important of all, you are good to my baby girl. You are the right man for her.
Oh my. Are you ready?
Ready to get married.
We've come rejoicing into the house of the Lord for this celebration, dear brothers and sisters. And now we stand with John and Kara on the day they intend to form a home of their own. Families and friends, it is a great honor to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Carry-On.
My wife. Thank you for teaching me how to be kind. You are my everything.
And finally, to my husband, you are my calm, my safe place, and my best friend. And I feel so lucky to walk through life with you.